Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cheesy Schezwan fries. So let's get started. To make the French fries, here I've got 4 big sized potatoes. The potatoes should be soiled, do not use the waxy ones. The next step is to peel the potatoes and cut them. It's very important to use the right type of potatoes for French fries. If the potatoes are watery, your French fries would not turn out good. The French fries in that case would turn soggy, that is right after frying they would turn soggy. Also the color wouldn't be right, so it's very important to get the right potatoes. You may use a special gadget or tool to cut the French fries or cut them the way I have done using a knife. So peel all the potatoes and cut them. So here I've cut all the potatoes. Next we're going to boil this. So bring some water to a boil. Water should be enough to accommodate all the potatoes. Add around 3 to 4 teaspoons salt. If you add more salt, the amount of salt after boiling the potatoes would be just right because we are going to discard the water. So drop in the potatoes. Boil the potatoes for 4 to 5 minutes or till you see they are partially cooked. They shouldn't be fully cooked, it's very important. After 4 to 5 minutes of boiling between medium to high flame, take one potato piece out and check whether it's done or not. It should be partially done, that is raw in the middle. Spread the French fries over a cotton cloth and let them dry for 5 minutes. Make sure you keep enough distance between them. You may sprinkle 1 to 2 teaspoons of corn flour. So sometimes I do that, sometimes I skip that step. Double frying the French fries would make sure that they remain crispy and firm for longer duration. So heat oil at high flame and once it becomes hot, drop in the French fries and fry at high flame for 1 minute. After frying for 1 minute, transfer them to a sieve or a plate and let them sit for 10 to 15 minutes and then we'll double fry. So I'm going to show you that step later. The French fries would be oily and soft after first frying. That's okay, that's how they are gonna be. If you want to freeze them, you can freeze at this stage. After first frying, spread them on a plate and freeze. Once frozen, you can transfer the French fries in a Ziploc bag or airtight container. Now I'm going to set this aside for some time. We are going to use 2 types of sauce. For the first one, take 2 tablespoons mayonnaise. Add around 1 to 2 teaspoons Schezwan chutney. I'm using the ready-made one. You can use your homemade Schezwan chutney in this recipe. Mix well. You can taste the Schezwan mayo and if required you can add more Schezwan sauce or chutney as per your preference. So this is ready. Let's move to the next step. After setting the first fried French fries for 10 to 15 minutes, the next step is to double fry them. So heat your oil at high flame and once the oil becomes hot, drop in the French fries. Keep the flame high and fry the French fries till they turn golden and crispy. If you do not have the right type of potatoes for French fries having high starch, then at this stage your potatoes would turn brown in color and still they wouldn't be crispy. So along with the technique, it's very important to have the right type of potato. So continue frying the French fries. So here I've fried all the French fries. The color is nice golden and the French fries are nice and crispy. Crispy outside and fluffy inside. So only one more step to go before serving the Schezwan French fries with some cheese sauce. Heat a pan and add 1 tablespoon milk. Add 1 entire cube of grated processed cheese. Keep the flame low and continue mixing till the cheese melts. You may add a little more milk to adjust the consistency. The cheese sauce would turn smooth and creamy and yes, it's ready to go on the French fries. Serve the French fries in a box or a plate. Next, add the prepared Schezwan mayo. Pour the prepared cheese sauce. some tomato ketchup. You may add some Schezwan chutney on top. And finally sprinkle some chopped coriander. Serve the delicious cheesy Schezwan French fries right away. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy.